there, welcome back. This week I am looking at Glossier Play, which has been a highly requested video. I've got a few of the products, well I've got one of each of the products to show you. I'm actually loving it so far. So let me just show you what I've got. So I've got the lip lacquer, which is called Vanillic Lip, the Colour Slide Liner, the Glitter Gelée, the Night Shine Highlighter, and also the Detailer, which is a tool for applying the glitter or whatever else you think you could use it for. I've got them all on my face now. Sorry if you can hear the rain, it's absolutely peeing down. Oh, and some thunder. Fabulous. Always good. Well, we do live in England. So I'm going to show you these being applied. Really enjoyed the application of these, so keep watching, because if you like something easy but with real impact, then you'll love them. So this is the Colour Slide eyeliner, which is called the Techno Gel Eye Pencil, and I've got the shade Sparkle Shark, which is really kind of nice taupey grey shade with a bit of metallic. So they're nice and creamy, so I'm just going to show you how it goes on. I'm going to use this as like an eyeshadow base all over my lid. And along the lash line. Maybe actually in the waterline as well, why not? Try not to let my eyes roll on in my head. Just going to go all over the lid. I'm going to get the little brush and blend out the edges. And that's like a really easy smoky eye, and you can obviously layer up. I'm just going for a bit of a light cover all over, and I'm going to go deeper in the lash line. I've just got a bit into the socket there as well. Another little blend. And they blend out really easily and apply really easily and last. So that is good. We like the long lasting. So that's a really nice simple one product eye. Look, I've already got mascara on. So I like that. I'm just going to do the other eye quickly. Yeah, I really like that. They just blend really nicely, and this shade, Sparkle Shark, is actually really nice. It's quite an unusual one for me because I'm usually go for more of a warm tone, but this is quite cool, but it contrasts nicely with the warmth of my eyes, which is nice. So I'm happy with that. So I might as well carry on and stick with eyes, because the glitter, which is like can be used on eyes. I think I would only use it on eyes. So I'm just gonna, there is a detailer brush, this one, to apply with, but I actually don't know how to use that, and I'm just gonna go in with my fingers on this one. So it feels like a jelly. It's called the Glitter Gelée. I'm just gonna pop some over the top of that liner. Oh yeah, pretty. So that goes really nicely on top of Sparkle Shark. Hang on, what is this shade? Right, this is shade Firewalk. So They're really lovely and cooling. I like this a lot. A bit more on. Yeah, I'm a major fan of this. That just looks so pretty, I think. And the other eye. It's got loads of different size glitter particles. I think you've got sensitive eyes though, you might not like this because it feels a tiny bit warm on the skin after it being cool initially applied, so it's like maybe a bit stingy, but it's going, that feeling is going. But if you've got sensitive eyes, you might not like that. This would be great on the body though. Yeah, I love that. So that, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I'm loving that. Right, okay. That is perfect. And those two colours together, Sparkle Shark and Firewalk, work beautifully. Right, next, these are the ones that I was most excited about. These are the Night Shine highlighters. I've got shade Pale Pearl. What I really love about these is that you think it's going to be a pipette, and it's not. It's a little doe foot, and it's a really nice, precise doe foot that you can get really good, precise application with. So I'm going to pop it on, obviously, predictably, on my cheekbones because I'm obsessed with a bit of a cheekbone highlight. Just tap that in. It's a really nice, easy to blend formula. I hope you can see that. And go in on the other side. And the other thing I really like this applicator for is that you can get right in to the inner corner there. You want that to pop a bit. Press it in. And then up here if you want to. Got a load of glitter on my forehead and I don't know how I did that. Maybe my finger still had glitter on. I'm going to try and get that off because I think glitter placed with consciousness is better than accidental fingerprints, wouldn't you say? A bit of a foundation over the top of that. I would, if I wasn't filming, I'd probably actually deal with that properly, but I didn't. So I'm just going to pretend it didn't happen and cover it up. There. So there's my Night Shine highlight, which I also really love. I might put a bit on the Cupid's bow. Why not? It's so lovely, that little applicator, makes things really easy. Okay, maybe a little bit down the bridge of my nose as well. Why not? This shade is Pale Pearl. There are 3 other shades. I think this is the lightest one. There, maybe. There. Lovely, enjoying that so far. And then the last product is the Vinylic Lip. So I've got shade Disco, which is like a burnt orangey red. And I've already clicked it up. So that'll be enough on my first application. But you can put quite a light layer on and have it more like a stain. Like that. Quite like that shade. Or you can build it up. So I'm just going to click out some more product. A bit more of a glossy finish. Lovely colour. They feel really nice and moisturising, and they're long lasting as well. So I'm really, really happy with that. So that's the look, the whole kind of look. So I've got the eyeliner, the eye glitter, the night shine highlighter, and then the lacquer lip gloss in shade Disco, which I really like. I've also got swatches of these shades on the blog, and if I get any more shades through, I shall update my blog post with more swatches. So I'm going to link to that post in the description box below. So that is it. I'm loving it. I'm really excited about this. Glossier Play have also promised that there are going to be lots of new and exciting products, which is basically my thing that keeps me going in life. So I cannot wait to see what else they come up with next. If you've got any questions at all, please leave them in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed, that would be great if you did that, because I'm doing weekly videos and that way you won't miss out. And you can ask me any questions that you want on Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ReallyRee over there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!